Hey, Jake, do you have a minute?
Hey, Emma, of course. What's up?
I'm feeling really overwhelmed with work right now. I had to take a few days off last week, and now I have so many tasks to catch up on.
I totally understand. Being behind on work can be stressful. What do you need help with?
I have a big report to finish, plus I need to respond to a ton of emails. On top of that, our boss just assigned me another project due this Friday.
Wow, that's a lot. I can help you with the emails if you'd like. That way, you can focus on the report and the new project.
That would be amazing. Jake, are you sure you have time?
Yeah, my workload isn't too heavy today, so I can handle some extra emails.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll forward you the emails that need responses.
Sounds good. By the way, have you talked to our boss? Maybe you can ask for an extension on the project.
I thought about it, but I don't want to seem like I can't handle my work.
I get that, but sometimes it's better to be honest. If you explain your situation, our boss might give you more time.
You're probably right. I'll talk to them later today.
Good idea. And if you need more help, just let me know. We're a team after all.
Thanks, Jake. You're a lifesaver. I owe you one.
No worries. Just buy me a coffee sometime and we'll call it even.
Deal. I'll get back to work now. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. Let me know if you need anything else.